Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can change our font on Notion. So for that, open up your Notion account, click anywhere on the screen, then type slash and then type EQ, and you will be able to see this option of inline equation. Just select it, and after that type in slash again, then type math dot tt, then curly bracket, and type the thing that you want to type and close this curly bracket, and it will give you a different font. In the similar way, if you want to change the font, just instead of TT replace it with SF. It will be a different. And if you change SF with Cal, then it will give you a calligraphic type of font. And if you again change it CAL to BB, then it will give you a different font. And this is how you change fonts on Notion. And if you want to put a space and type something, that you won't be able to see the space there. So in order to type in this space, you need to place this wavy thing over here, and then it will be able to put a space in our notes. Then just click done, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.